Good morning friends, I am Kishore Rambhad, Assistant Professor at JSPM Nare Technical Campus Pune. Today we will discuss about the subject Engineering Thermodynamics. Engineering Thermodynamics is the important subject in mechanical engineering. Now what is Engineering Thermodynamics? Engineering Thermodynamics is the branch of physical science which deals with the energy transformation. There are two types of engineering thermodynamics. First is classical thermodynamics and second is statical thermodynamics. Classical thermodynamics is also called as macroscopic approach and statical thermodynamics is also called as a microscopic approach. In classical thermodynamics, the thermodynamic system is considered as overall behavior of the system, but in statical thermodynamics, molecular behavior of the thermodynamic system is studied. Thermodynamics laws. There are four thermodynamics laws. First is zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics and third law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Consider three bodies, body A, body B and body C. If body A and body B are in thermal equilibrium with each other and body B and body C are in thermal equilibrium with each other, then body A and body C are in thermal equilibrium. First law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics is also called as law of conservation of energy. You might have studied law of conservation of energy in 8th or 9th class. Law of conservation of energy states that energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. But specifically for thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics states that heat and work is mutually convertible. It means heat can be converted into work and work can be converted into heat. Second law of thermodynamics is proposed by Clausius and Kelvin Planck. Clausius statement, Clausius states that it is impossible to construct a device which is working on a cyclic process whose sole effect is to extract heat from low temperature reservoir and transfer it to high temperature reservoir. Kelvin Planck statement. Kelvin Planck statement states that it is impossible to construct an engine which is working on a cyclic process whose sole effect is to convert available amount of heat into equivalent amount of work. Third law of thermodynamics. Third law of thermodynamics states that at absolute zero temperature, entropy of the substance is zero. Thermodynamic properties. Thermodynamic properties are classified as intensive properties and extensive properties. Intensive properties are one which is independent of mass, like temperature, pressure, density, etc. Second is extensive property. Extensive properties are one which is depend on mass. Examples are mass, volume, enthalpy, entropy, etc. Whenever we study about the thermodynamics, we need to define thermodynamic system. What is thermodynamic system? Region or area which is considered for thermodynamic analysis is called as a thermodynamic system. There are three types of thermodynamic system. First is closed system. The closed system is a one in which only energy transformation across the boundary takes place. Open system. Open system is a one in which energy and matter transformation across the system takes place. Third is isolated system in which neither energy, neither matter nor matter crosses across the boundary. Now we have understood what is system. The region or area which is taken for thermodynamic analysis is called as a system, and everything external to the system is called as a surrounding. The imaginary line or actual line which separates this system and surrounding is called as a boundary. If we consider system and surrounding together, then it is called as a universe. Now domestic applications of thermodynamics: refrigerator, air conditioner, desert cooler, thermos, oven, pressure cooker, automobiles, geyser, water heater, solar water heater, dry cell, batteries. These are some domestic examples, domestic application of thermodynamics. Industrial application of thermodynamics are thermal power plant, hydroelectric power plant, nuclear power plant, solar power plant, ice factory, oil refineries, textile industries, sugar mills, locomotives like diesel train and steam trains, automobiles and aeroplanes. These are some industrial applications of thermodynamics. These are some thermodynamic devices used in the industries are boiler, heat exchanger, turbines, compressor, nozzles, valves, thermometers, pressure gauge, etc. Dear friends, today we understood about the basic concept of thermodynamics. Thank you.